Divorce affects everybody really within the family, and it's interesting with this issue, it isn't just the husband and the wife, it's going to include the children. Divorce is one way of addressing issues that parties have. It isn't the only resort that you have. It certainly is one thing that you can do when you're having a problem within the relationship and it's not workable to remain together. For instance, Michigan is a no-fault state, so in Michigan you do not have to show a reason why you're getting divorced. You simply have to tell the court that there's been a breakdown in the marriage and there's really not a chance that we can stay together. With the courts making it available for you to go and dissolve that relationship and move on, then divorce is going to be happening more frequently. Adam is definitely different than other firms. Adam has been in practice well over 30 years. We've dedicated our careers to representing men in family law cases. We've, as a philosophy, really hyper-focused on men's rights and on children's rights to have a relationship with their father. And that's the difference. That's what we bring to this. It's not only expertise, it's not only quoting you court rule and statute, but it's caring and it's being brave and patient and all the things that are necessary to accomplish what your children deserve and what you deserve as somebody unfortunately having to go through this process. So what you can expect at initial consultation is really a two-part process. The first step is to give us a phone call. The first step really is to educate yourself on some very basic bits of advice right from the get-go so that you're not making a mistake and putting yourself behind the 8 ball right from stage one. The other part of that consultation is to really set reasonable expectations. And in that consultation, we can give you some solid knowledge. We can run child support or spousal support guidelines. We can talk about the procedure itself. We can talk about what you do even if you're not ready to file. What things you can be working on right now in the event that divorce comes up in the future. So there's a lot that happens in that 45-minute to 1-hour meeting with that part of it, and I think it's a very important part of the total representation from the firm.